Be it railways or highways, India's vision of Atmanirbharta has led to significant development across the length and the breadth of the country, heralding an era of self-reliance in the field of automobiles. India has developed a high-speed track in Indore, which is the longest such track in Asia. Recently, Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises Prakash Javadekar has inaugurated this high-speed track. While launching the high-speed track, the minister stated that India is destined to become a hub of automobiles, manufacturing and spare parts. The minister also mentioned that expanding the automobiles and manufacturing industries will help in generating employment. It is worth noting that NETREX HST is the world's fifth longest high-speed track for automobiles. It has been developed in an area of 1,000 acres of land, from two-wheelers to heavy tractor-trailers. This high-speed track is a one-stop solution for all sorts of high-speed performance tests for the widest categories of vehicles. Besides, high-speed track is used for measuring the maximum speed capability of high-end cars, which cannot be measured on any of the Indian test tracks. Being centrally located in Madhya Pradesh, the track is accessible to most of the major original equipment manufacturers. Moreover, foreign equipment manufacturers will also be looking at NETREX high-speed track and for the development of prototype cars for Indian conditions. At present, foreign OEMs go to their respective high-speed track abroad for high-speed test requirements. Now let's get to know more about NETREX. NETREX stands for National Automotive Test Tracks. It is one of the state-of-the-art automotive testing and certification centers under NATRIP, a flagship project of the Ministry of Heavy Industries planned under the Automotive Mission Plan launched by the Government of India. The NETREX Center has multiple test capabilities like measures of maximum speed, acceleration, constant speed, fuel consumption and emission tests through real road driving simulation. It also exhibits the features related to high-speed handling, stability evaluation, such as lane change and high-speed durability testing. Besides, it functions as a center of excellence for vehicle dynamics. Moreover, NETREX offers 14 different types of test tracks. These special test tracks are dynamic platform, braking track, gradient track, fatigue track, handling comfort and sustainability track, including noise track and wet skid pad. It is well connected by rail, road and air from important places such as Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Jaipur and Dubai. Such developments provide a big boost to India's automobile industry. India was the fifth largest auto market in 2020 and the seventh largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in 2019. Moreover, the Government of India has encouraged foreign investment in the automobile sector and has allowed 100% foreign direct investment under the automatic route. In India, the automobile industry is supported by various factors such as the availability of skilled labor, robust research and development centers, and low-cost steel production. Through continuous endeavors, the central government is trying to transform India into a hub of auto manufacturing. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.